So this is a disclaimer about really training biceps. I try to get y'all to understand that if your body fat percentage is not extremely low, then you really should only nice and easy. You feel me? $20. Now going 20 push-ups with this. Nice and easy. Might as well take these off. So remember, doing push-ups on this won't be a little bit more challenging than you think. I don't know if you notice, you can easily roll the easy bar forward or backwards, where you can kind of take the tension away from the chest and transfer it to the shoulders. So just make sure you got a solid drive down and up. We're doing 20-20. The 20-20 on this one. Nice clean 20. Remember, make sure you hit the quads. Come all the way up as high as you can. Nice and clean. One. Yep. You good. Just like that. 2, 3, 4, 5. Abs nice and tight. 6, 7, 8. Come on. 9, 10, 11. Come on. 12. Come on. 13, 14. Yep. 15. Come on. 16. Easy. 17. 18, come on, 19, 20. Remember, this is after bench press. This is after bench press. Way more difficult than it looks. Yep, just go and throw them down. Nice and easy. Nice clean 20 with this too. Remember, that bar will roll. Body should be nice and level. 1, 2, all the way down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Good. 20. Great work.
That's the
A
finish.
little tougher than you thought, right?
Yeah, way tougher.
So this is a disclaimer about really training biceps. I try to get y'all to understand that if your body fat percentage is not extremely low, then you really should only focus on compound movements. That's 1. 2, the only time I would really recommend training a secondary area is if you lack a significant amount of strength to be able to maximize your strength when it comes down to that compound movement. Because a great example is when we doing chest press, right? If you lack in a significant amount of forearm strength or tricep strength, then guess what? It makes sense to train and isolate that area. But if it's a situation where you have an adequate amount of strength, then in reality we can still focus on just training the compound movement because it is working those secondary areas. I think sometimes we forget that. Just imagine the hand placement when we use this machine on rows. You get a phenomenal pump in your biceps. So you see what I mean? So sometimes a lot of people think that when they want to train a certain area that they need to do a lot of this isolation activity. In actuality, sometimes it should be a situation where you should just focus on a compound movement, and when you lack in a significant amount of strength, or it's the point that you want to improve on a little bit more weight, then that's when we would actually transfer to doing that, training that secondary area a little bit more. So just be mindful of that. Or always say, one day out of the week, guess what? Just make sure you add that into your program. But one thing you can't say, we ain't been training biceps, we definitely have. We haven't been doing a lot of bicep exercises. We'll do 1 or 2, but you remember, we've been doing a lot of splits. We've pretty much been doing full body workout every time we work out.
Yeah.
If you've noticed, we hit legs. The only time we didn't hit legs was earlier this week. That's it, which was Sunday. So just be mindful of that. Remember, last time we did dips, I've been giving you some crazy tricep and bicep exercises. We did hammer curls. Hammer curls is gonna work that outside. When you get that separation, you see that separation on the arm? That's from doing hammers. That's not just from doing a lot of preacher curls. You're just not used to, you say this because you're used to us doing a lot of that in between. Like we might do a compound, then we'll do some type of isolation work, and we ain't been doing that. I'll give you that. So one thing I want you to do too when you're doing these, make sure you're not doing a lot of this jerking motion. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go into the 20 of these. Feel good. Feel good. And you can be a little bit explosive with those if you want to slow it down. You feel more of a burn. You know how we get time and attention too, but remember, we switch it up over here. Let's get it. Nice and easy. Come on.
Hand grip's throwing me off. I'm like, where's my center?
Go with the hand grip. He asked about the hand grip. So do understand there's 3 different placements on the bar. We going right here.
We going right here?
Yep.
Pinky here?
All the way in. All the way in. Yep, right there. Let's get it. Nice clean 20. We got it. Good. Lean forward a little bit. There we go. Stay right there. Easy. Easy. Nice clean 20. You got it easy. Ooh, he's feeling it. He's feeling it. And then the beautiful thing is drop it right down. As soon as you curl up, drop it right down. That's all you gotta do. Drop it right down. As soon as you curl up, drop it right down. Easy. 20 money. Looking good. 20 money. Easy. Nice. I kept them on if you want
See,
to.
I took my shoes off because they were sliding out.
Oh, I feel it. I feel
on
it.
the-
When you did the push-ups?
Yeah.
I feel it. Thing to take note on. Funny thing, that's why I actually wear a lot of mid-top shoes. Easy. 3, easy. Good. Woo. Great work. Great work. When I watch a video, I'm like, why Ruben be like, he be dying so much and I be chilling?
It's like that every time, bro.
Yo, he be, Me personally, I just get up. But you know the funny thing? A lot of the times when I'm talking, I'm so short of breath though too. That's one thing I'm not gonna fake, because I don't really have that many gasping when I talk, but I notice it when I do a lot of the editing. I'm like, yo, I was really out of breath, because it's like space between each word.
It's only been a handful of times where I've seen you really like struggling.
Oh yeah. Oh, you seen it with those finishers.
Yeah.
I was struggling, bro. If I was to try to do another rep, you would have been crying. Like when I say crying, laughing, it's like my arm tightened up when I did it.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be the last set right here. Remember, chest nice and tall. Tighten that lower back, tighten the abs. Oh, one thing to keep in mind when you're doing these curls too, you're gonna notice it, you can't pull it to you. but try to squeeze as much as you can to try to bring that bar to that upper chest. You're not gonna be able to do it, don't get me wrong, but the contraction and the control down, nice and clean. And one thing I love about this particular bicep exercise is you don't have to worry about the forearms being overpowered. You get a lot of bicep work. You barely feel anything in the forearms, barely. Yo, the bar rolled on me. I had to reposition my hands. I don't know if you peeped that, but the bar definitely rolled down, and I had to slowly slide my hands up just so I could keep stressing that chest. This is a lot more difficult than we making it seem. And then two, I'm gonna be real with you, I intended to want to do 30 each one, but I feel like those 10 reps, I wouldn't be able to make it. So we're pushing towards 20. 20 is gonna be a great burnout, and now it's Rube go. You know it's real when you start rolling up the sleeves on them. Telling you, this right here, arms will be busting out the sleeves before you know it. But nice and easy. Core nice and tight. Lower back nice and tight. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. And you can use a little bit of momentum to control up. Nothing wrong with that. Just make sure you're trying your best to control down while keeping attention in the bicep the entire time. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Easy. 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 Remember this after the chest press we just did. And Ruben tripping. We've been training biceps, dog. Now I'm really over here like we've always finished with some type of bicep or tricep finisher. That's one. I've given you at least one bicep exercise a week, one tricep exercise a week. We've been training, look, that's a disclaimer. He wrong on that one. We've been training biceps. He just not used to 20 reps is what I would say. Easy. All the way down. There we go, all the way down. Good. All the way down, all the way up. Remember, full range of motion every time we do those push-ups, and make sure those hips not too low so we don't strain that lower back. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Easy. Great work. Easy. 20. Nice and clean. Easy.